So hi! It's been a while. I haven't done unboxing videos. I kinda missed it. So let's start! Long story short, I came across this TikTok video where she left her battery on her light stick after a concert. And from that moment, I panicked because I realized that there is a possibility that I left my battery on my two light. I forgot to buy high quality battery, so I just bought whatever I saw on the street. Ayaw mag-focus. So this is what I bought. A lightstick battery socket. I bought it from K-pop merch, a store that is based at South Korea. I hope it does work on my two light. Let's unbox. So I'm going to try if this will work. I'm going to use it on April 14th and 15th on their Hello to Your concert in Manila. So see you guys. Bye!